Hey, yo, what the fuck is good, everybody? Dick Around Dylan here. Today, I'm gonna be chugging this entire bottle of Sunkist in the library. I'm gonna be burping super obnoxiously. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video at one point, just leave a like and enjoy the video. Oh, shit. Finals are coming up, bro. You know how I get started? Like what hypes me up? I gotta run to the restroom real quick. That didn't go according to plan. That one guy's fucking Fuck, I have the flu, so my mom says carbonation will help it. My stomach, it has a very low acid concentrate, so whenever I take a sip of this, even if it's just like the smallest amount, it'll just make me burp uncontrollably. I'm gonna try it again. Woo! Damn. I have a really low acid concentrate in my tummy. I just have like a super weak stomach. So like whenever I take a sip of this, I just like it causes like a volcanic reaction inside my tummy. Oh, you have coffee? Alright, let's have a chug off. 3, 2, 1. How do you usually get pumped up to study? Coffee? Yeah, what does it for me is a chugging Sunkist. It has to be Sunkist orange though. Yeah, but it gives me tummy problems. Like it really makes me like go off, you know what I'm saying? The thing is, I don't even know how to read fucking Spanish, bro. Or what? Do you know how to read this language?
Spanish?
Yeah. What does this say?
I think that's Arabic.
Is this even the right book? I'm gonna go find the right book. Sorry, I'm a freshman. I've literally almost finished this entire fucking thing to myself. I don't know if I can do this anymore. I might like throw up, dude. Oh, I gotta piss really fucking bad. It's literally down to like there. See that shit? It's down to here. I need to fucking spout like a fountain, bro.
Do you know why you're having an upset stomach?
No, not really. I ate Chipotle last night, but
Eaten anything like this?
No, I haven't eaten. I've just been drinking soda.
That's why.
Really? No, but my mom says it helps.
Are you good on dirt or something? I mean,
What?
do it for a second. Stop drinking it. Just drink water. And just
There's only a little bit left though.
don't finish it.
Ah.
You can just throw it.
Is that better? Guys, I was not able to finish this. Fuck soda. Drink more water. I feel like shit. I hope you enjoyed the video.